time to take out your chocolate cake mix and make it fancy. Pour half a cup of oil into a cup. Then break an egg into the cup. If you do not have many eggs, you can always stretch an egg by filling the empty cell with water and pouring that into the cup. Open a box of Swiss chocolate cake mix, or just regular chocolate cake mix, whatever you have available to you at this time, and pour the powder into a large bowl, and pour the oil and egg mixture into that well. Afterwards, take that cup, fill it with water, and pour a cup of water into the well. Mix it all together so that you can add as much air as possible into the mixture. Coat a cooking pan with butter or margarine. Pour the cake batter into the pan and smooth it out with a spoon. Depending on the size of the pan, you might have some leftover batter. I used my extra batter to make 6 cupcakes, and I filled the empty cupcake pan slots with water. Once the oven reaches 325, then put the pans in the oven. It's time to test the cake with a toothpick or knife to see if it's done. If the knife is still completely clean looking, remove the pan. Place a plate on top of the pan and turn the cake pan upside down. Remove the pan. Put another plate on top of the plated cake and turn it over so the cake is now right side up. Once the cake is cool, top the cake with Cool Whip and make sure it is flat. Make a wall of Cool Whip on all sides of the cake. Build up the layers of Cool Whip around the inside of the cake because this will keep the cherries from falling out later. Then scoop that cherry pie filling into the center of the cake and use the walls of Cool Whip to keep them from sliding off. If you want to make it a birthday cake, just add candles and enjoy.